भूषण सर।
तो सर पढ़ के मतलब बोल सकता हूँ ना, क्योंकि
यू
सब
कैन
मिस।
टेक द हेल्प फ्रॉम द नोटबुक, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, बट मेरे को चाहिए कि आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज ढंग की है। चलो, स्माइल रखिएगा थोड़ा सा। दोस्त के बारे में बता रहे हैं, दोस्त के बारे में, समझे आप? तो थोड़ा अच्छा लगना चाहिए ना।
श्योर सर।
चलो स्टार्ट।
Good evening, everyone. My name is Chandrabhushan Pal, and I'm glad to share my thought about my best friend. So, my best friend name is Pradeep, but uh, affectively, affectionately. But affectionately, I call him Chiti because he is smaller than me. He always tease me a lot.
टीजेस मी,
Yeah,
टीजेस।
teases. Sorry, he teases me. He always teases me a lot. He has done his study from Bhopal. We met first time in college since 2016. Um, he doesn't smoke and
ही
doesn't.
ही ही ही।
He sir, I
हाँ,
said he sir.
ओके ओके।
He doesn't smoke and doesn't take tobacco. But uh, he drinks occasionally. Yes, sure. 750, sir. When he take drinks, then he calls me and lick my brain 1 and 2 hours.
हाँ,
1 and 2 hours. When we meet, so we go Bin Bulai Shadi and eat a lot food and enjoyed a lot. Mm, he's
इसे
a
बोलते हैं वी क्रैश द पार्टी।
we crashed the party. So
हाँ।
we crashed the party. He's such a gentleman, great person with golden heart. And he's my brother from another mother. Thank
वेरी
you
गुड,
so much.
वेरी गुड।
Thank you, sir.
बढ़िया। दिस वाज रियल।